This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by Benvenuto.
CoastLife, do you ever get that craving? You know which one I'm talking about, the one where you know a salad isn't gonna cut it? Well, today we are going all in on a burger right here in Milford at Benvenuto. I have Chef Zeus here with me. How you doing?
I'm doing wonderful. I like how you said a salad isn't gonna cut it.
Oh yeah, there's sometimes, you need something a little more heftier.
Right, I don't think a salad ever cuts it.
Nah, sometimes.
Right.
Sometimes. You make good salads here too.
You're right.
But today we have this black and blue burger. What makes this stand out against other burgers?
Well, the first thing that I want to mention about this is that our new Bulgari Village menu is available. All right, so this is for our bar, which is the Bulgari Village, and our mixologist and wonderful bar manager Sam is over there offering this menu, and this is off of that menu. So you have to sit at the bar to get this burger. Okay,
good to know.
This isn't your average burger. Chef is using a custom blend of filet, ribeye, and short rib, giving it that rich steakhouse flavor in every single bite. Once that blend is ready, it's shaped into a half-pound patty, pressed just enough to hold together while still keeping all that juicy texture.
You can see the red in there. You can also see the fat that's marbling through this burger.
Yes.
Okay, so that's how we make the burgers here. Now,
then it's all about building flavor with a generous coating of blackening spice, plus a little salt and pepper to bring everything together before it hits the heat.
and you'll hear that.
Nice. Yep,
All
a
right.
little sizzle going.
From there, it goes on to high heat for that perfect sear, creating that signature blackened crust while locking in all the juices.
Now, as soon as we flip it, you're going to say, "Wow, look at that!
Yes.
See how beautiful that is?"
Cool.
All right. And that's where the black comes from, the black and blue. So I think right now is a good time to take a break. All right. We are going to top our black and blue burger with our blue cheese or gorgonzola, put it under a broiler, take a quick break, and when we come back, I think we're going to plate this guy up.
Perfect. Awesome. Oh, Chef Zeus, this is looking good already. That golden crisp blue cheese on the burger. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness, it is. But look, no burger is complete without some good fries. So these are our fries, and these are cooked in beef tallow. And here, I'm going to give one to my man B right here. All right, that goes to B. This one goes to you.
Oh yeah. What do you
Wait till
think of
try
it,
that.
Brandon? Good? Oh yeah.
Right, he's saying yes.
I agree. Yep.
All right, isn't that a good
That's
fry?
amazing fry.
It really is. All right.
And when it's time to build, Chef Zeus keeps it simple, letting that bold, flavorful burger take center stage, topped with gorgonzola on a toasted brioche bun.
So what you have here is our black and blue filet, ribeye, and short rib burger. All right, and this is only available at the Bulgari Village bar.
Yeah.
And it's amazing. But only one thing left to do.
We gotta dive in.
So we're gonna have to cut this guy in half.
Yep.
All right. And then that way also we get to see how beautiful this burger looks
from the inside.
on the inside. Yes. All right. So, moment of truth.
Let's see it.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
That's actually how you like it.
Perfect. That is
Right?
literally perfect.
Right? You like it.
Oh my
You like it more
gosh.
well, don't
I
you?
do.
All right.
You know
so
me
let's
very
try
well.
it. Right. That looks
All right.
beautiful.
Should we add
though.
some pickles onto this?
I think the pickles stand alone.
on their own?
Yes, on their own. Thank you.
All right.
So let's try this. All right.
All right. I'm just gonna dig right in. Oh my god. Oh. It's very juicy. Oh my gosh. This
Wow.
is a good burger.
Right.
This hits the spot.
And I'm not just saying that. This is awesome.
Oh yeah, it is.
My goodness.
Yeah. And
And I'm sorry, even though it's like
Yeah.
more closer to, she likes it well done.
yes, but
We didn't want to say anything. All right, it's still, look,
No, it's
let's just do
perfect.
this. Look at this. Look at that. Look how
wow,
juicy that burger
literally,
is.
you could see.
Look.
Wow.
All right, that's a good burger.
It's juicy too, but it's not greasy. Like it's not like dripping down my arm or anything. Like it's still. Yeah, this is a good burger, CoastLife. And you know my favorite part about this burger? It's the CoastLife dish of the week. So you guys got to stop in here. Make sure you sit at the bar and then mention that you saw this on CoastLife, and you can get 10% off of this dish, and you get the fries with it and the pickles.
Yeah, but check this out. You haven't tried a pickle yet.
No, I've been looking forward to these pickles, CoastLife. Zeus has been talking about them because he said they're like a sweet and spicy.
Yes, it's going to blow your mind.
Oh my God. These are amazing pickles.
So when we had sandwiches on our previous menu, no exaggerating, people would come in just for the pickles.
I believe it, and I can see why.
And then they would say, hey, can I order some of those pickles to go?
Yeah. I may
They're
have
that
to
good.
get some to
They're
go when
good.
we leave here.
I'll let you finish. I'm going to keep eating.
Perfect. Well, Zeus, thank you so much for coming on today. I'll let you finish your burger. CoastLife, I gotta get finishing my burger because sometimes you don't want to go light. You just want things done right, and they always do it right here in Benvenuto. We're also doing things right here on CoastLife, so stick around because that's on the way.